Austin here with Prismatic Powders. Today we're going to answer the most frequently asked questions we get about primers. Stay tuned and welcome to the booth. You guys, one of the most frequently asked questions that we get starting out here, do I need to prep my surface if I'm going to use a primer? The answer is yes. We do not want dirt, grease, foreign debris, rust, corrosion, any of that underneath any layer that we have when we're putting powder down. So yes, you need to degrease and you need to blast in order for this or any other powder to stick well to your part. Otherwise, we could get delamination or other contamination issues along the way. Here's another one we get. Do I fully cure my primer before I add my second coat, or do I partially cure it? Here's the answer, partial cure. We still want that powder to be able to accept another powder, this powder, to accept another powder. Usually you're not gonna use a primer by itself, okay? You're gonna put something over top. We're using this to prevent rust, corrosion, and maybe pulling from edges. So we want to be able to have intercoat adhesion between our layers, okay? If we fully cure, this is an epoxy, very chemically resistant. If we fully cure this, we will not have sufficient intercoat adhesion when our coatings cross-link with each other in order for the top coat to stick well. You guys, one last question that we get often, can I use this primer alone? The answer is, you do whatever you want to do. Here's reality. If you use this color by itself, it'll be fine for indoor use, okay? The thing about zinc primers specifically though, the zinc in it can oxidize if it doesn't have a top layer on it. So I'm speaking on the other primers that we have, the other epoxies. Epoxy does a few things really well. Chemical resistance, corrosion resistance, it's very durable. However, under the sun, it gets a little chalky. So if you're gonna use it by itself, outside you need to put something over it. If you're going to use it by itself, indoors you should be okay. But again, I always recommend a clear coat to help protect things. Thanks for watching, guys. That's the end of our Q&A. Be sure to check out our website. We have a few different primers for you to choose from. We even have one to help you with your gas problems. Check it out. Anyway, we'll catch you next time in the booth when Austin powders. See you next time.